Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we will see the practicals from the subject Pharmaceutics second of Diploma course in Pharmacy second year. So first we take the introduction of this practical in that monophasic liquid dosage form meant for external use. The liquids to be instilled into body cavity in that ear drops. So ear drop are the liquid preparation which are instilled into the ear with the help of dropper and generally prepare in water, glycerin, propylene glycol. They are generally used for cleansing the ear or softening of the waxes. The recommended containers for eardrop purpose, that is colored fluted glass bottle with dropper in a cap. The direction for eardrop, that is for external use only. Now we will see the experiment number 23 to prepare and submit eardrop. The prior concept of this experiment, that is monophasic liquid dosage form. The new concept, that is formulation and method of preparation of eardrop. The learning objectives of this experiment in that intellectual skill and motor skill we will gain. In intellectual skill, to understand the purpose of eardrop and its method of preparation. The motor skill in that ability to prepare eardrop and label it correctly. The apparatus which are required for preparing that eardrop, that is beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton wool, filter paper, etc. The prescription of this experiment in that boric acid 2%, alcohol 95%, 20%, water to make 100%, fiat oristili mitte ounce SS, that is 15 ml. The factor in that quantity required, that is 15 ml, and whole prescription is of 100 ml. So factor will be 0.15. Now observation table in that 5 columns. First one, that is type, second one, that is translation, third column, that is quantity given in empirical system, fourth column, that is quantity given in metric system, and last one, that is quantity taken in metric system. So boric acid, which is used as a antiseptic, quantity given in metric system, that is 2% for 100 ml of preparation, and quantity taken in metric system for 15 ml it will require 0.3 gram. Then alcohol 95%, which is used as a preservative in 100 ml of preparation, that alcohol will use 20%, that is 20 ml, and for 15 ml of preparation it will require 3 ml. Then water, which is used as a vehicle, which is required in 100 ml preparation, that is up to 100 ml of quantity will require of water in that eardrop, and for 15 ml of preparation it will require up to 15 ml of volume. Then label, that is direction for use, 3 or 4 drops to be placed in each ear occasionally. The label of this preparation in that eardrop 15 ml for, that is name of patient, register number, that is number in the register, dispense by, that is name of pharmacist, date, that is date of manufacturing, the storage condition of this eardrop in that store in cool and dark place, additional direction, that is shake well before use, special direction, that is for external use only, direction for use in that 3 or 4 drops to be placed in each ear occasionally, and last one, that is manufacture at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Thank you. Now let's see the procedure. Okay, let's start with the procedure. In the procedure of eardrop, first we take 3/4 volume of purified water. In that we add boric acid and dissolve that boric acid properly in that purified water. We already weighed boric acid, alcohol 95% and water. Then we add alcohol in that mixture. Again stir properly. Then filter that preparation through filter paper. Then transfer into the measure for measuring purpose up to 15 ml. We make the volume with the water. Then transfer that preparation into the container. Here in lab purpose we use syringe. That 15 ml volume of eardrop transfer into that container by using the syringe and needle, and here completed that preparation of eardrop, attach the label and submit the preparation. Thank you.